Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way with a review of the verbs found in Iliad 1 through 32 of Book 1. We'll look at the principal parts of all these verbs. Lead, ago, axo, agagon, aka, agmai, ektain. Sing, aedo, aesomai, aesa, esmai, estain. Rule over, anaso, anaxo, anaxa. Please, handano, hadeso, headon, heada. Dishonor, atimazdo, atimaso, etimasa, etimaka, etimasmai, etimastain. Walk, step, advance, go. Bino, besomai, ebain, bebeka. Speak, say, tell. Ero, ereo, apon, ereka, eremai, eretain. Contend, quarrel, rival. Erisdo, eriso, erisa, erika, ererismai. Have, hold. Echo, exo, skeso, eskon, eskeka, eskemai. Shout assent, approve. Ep eupemeo, ep eupemeso, ep eupemesa. To die, be dying, be dead. Thnesko, daneomai, etanon, tetneka. Burn, consume. Kai-o, kauso, ekea, kekauka, kekaumai, ekautein. Reach, hit, find, arrive at. Kikano, kikesomai, ekikesamen, ekikon, kikemai, ekikain. Hear, give ear to, attend. Cluo, ekluon, kekluka. Loose, free, break up. Luo, luso, elusa, leluka, lelumai, elutain. Kill, destroy. Oleko, oleso, olesa, olomen, ololeka, olola. Persuade, win over. Peto, peso, epesa, pepeka, pepoita, pepesmai, epistain. Send, escort, conduct. Pimpo, pimpso, epimpsa, pepompa, pepimai, epimptain. Sack, pillage. Perto, perso, epersa, epraton, epratomain. Hurl, send, dispatch. Proeapto, proeapso, proeapsa. Accomplish, fulfill. Teleo, teleso, etelesa, teteleka, tetelesmai, etelestain. Do, make, cause. Tiuko, tiukso, etiuksa, tetuka, tetukmai, etuktain. Flee, pugo, puxomai, epugon, pepuga, pepugmenos. Love, cherish, entertain hospitably. Pileo, pileso, epilesa, pepileka, pepilemai, epiletain. Anger, enrage, vex. Koloo, koloso, ekolosa, kekoloka, kekolomai, ekolotain. To go or come. Erkomai, eleusomai, elton, eleluta. Bear, carry. Pero, oiso, eneka, enenoka, enenengmai, enengtain. Beseech, beg. Lissomai, elisamen, elitomen. Stand in awe of, reverence. Hasdomai, only in the present system. Receive. Dekomai, dexomai, edexamen, edegmain, dedegmai, edectain. Arrive at, reach. Hikneomai, hiksomai, hikomain, apigmai. Give. Didome, doso, edoka, dedoka, dedomai, edotain. Make to go, send. Hiteme, heso, heka, eka, emai, etain. Rise, rouse, stir. Ornume, orso, orsa, ororon, aurora, ornumai. Place, put. Titeme, teso, eteka, teteka, kemai, etetain. Say yes, assent, say. Peme, peso, epesa, epamen. Okay, there we go. Remember, your Greek is only as strong as your grasp of the principal parts. So I recommend that any student who's serious about mastering Greek listen to this list again and again until they can hear it and see it in their own mind. Okay, good luck, keep working hard, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.